Alright, so here we got the iRobot Roomba 530 model. This Roomba is used, but it works great. And this has the newer software in there, so it's a 531 model actually. But the box says 530. So the serial number right there, you guys can tell, it says 531. So anyways, it has a newer software on it, so it guides itself better, and it comes with the slim virtual walls. So anyways, it's a used Roomba, but it works great and it looks great. And the battery here lasts about an hour and 15 minutes, and that's mixed carpet and hardwood floor. So obviously if you have just hardwood floor, it'll last longer, which is really good for the battery. So overall, an hour and 15 minutes for battery is pretty good. It comes in the original box. Alright. Just got a couple of pieces of paperwork here. Got a charger here. This is the 120 volt charger. It's in the bag. Okay. Got a slim docking station here. It's been slightly used, but it's in excellent condition. Alright, got two slim virtual walls. They do require two C-size batteries each, which are not included. All you gotta do is just press them on like that. Turn on and off. Alright. Got a spare side brush, a 6-arm, 6-legged side brush. Brand new. A brand new extra filter. A brand new clean tool to clean the brushes. And the Roomba itself right here. Alright, so it looks great. There's just barely any scuffs, if you can hardly see them. There's some spots right there. Otherwise, it looks great. It's just for more details, you guys can take a look at the pictures, and if you have questions, please let me know. The pictures, you guys can see a little more detail. Alright, flip it over. So here we got these 3-legged side brush, which is in excellent shape. The front wheel is also in excellent shape here. There's the model number right there. So everything has been cleaned and disinfected with Clorox wipes, so you get nice clean Roomba. So here's the dustbin. And the vacuum bin. Here's a serial number in case anybody interested in. So all the brushes have been cleaned and disinfected also. The clean head module here has been cleaned out and re-lubed, so you get long life out of this Roomba. And I'll show you guys how it works. So everything has been tested, and make sure everything works correctly. So the bumper sensors have been worked on, so they're working perfectly fine. There are no issues with this Roomba at all. And I'll show you guys the bumper sensor work great by doing a straight run. So the straight run right here. And I'll just tap the bumpers. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Happy bidding.